Before we come to Siemens Turkey, I would like to emphasize a little bit about Siemens Global. Siemens Global is founded in 1847 by Werner von Siemens, and right after that, in 1856, Siemens made his first contact with Turkey. At that time, in the Ottoman era, the first telegraph system is implemented in Turkey, and last year it was our 160th year of presence in Turkey, and we celebrated this event last year with the motto Siemens of Turkey is with you since under 60 years. Siemens Turkey is a Turkish company with strong roots in the country, but also a part of a larger global pioneer and visionary company of Siemens Global. The main driver of this project is, of course, our customers and society, as I think it should be for every project, for every internal project of a company. Our aim was in this project to serve our actual customers who bought our products and services in the past, and also to serve our future customers which are looking for a reliable partner for their businesses. I can assure them that Siemens will be on their side in their journey, in their businesses, and we will not let them to walk alone. Although Siemens is one entity, it is organized by divisions, which you can call like companies. That means there are different divisions in Siemens which are serving different customer portfolios, different industrial sectors, with different competitors. That means a very rich product and services portfolio, and also complexity. To manage this complexity, we needed an open platform for all the users in the company. Such diversity couldn't be handled by simply forming a traditional customer care center unit, collecting the people there and responding to customer requests. Such diversity needs much more. To do that, we needed a virtual customer care center organization which could serve all our rich portfolio of products and services. So we started the project. We didn't need a traditional solution to solve such complexity. We needed an untraditional way of solving our problem. So our IT came with the idea to solve this complexity issue of Siemens Turkey with an open, innovative platform like Salesforce. Then we have to go back again to the first planning phases of the project. Everything was fuzzy for us. We didn't know how to solve this complexity issue, how to get an open platform for all the users which are also not experienced and which are not using this platform in their daily life all day long. So the planning phase started, and our IT came with the idea that it can be solved with Sales Cloud, Cloud Team. Cloud Team has visited us, which gives us as a customer the confidence that our project might be successful and might be executed in a professional way and in a short time. That was why we decided on Cloud Team. Today we have a closed-loop process for our customers. Every ticket history can be traced till the beginning of the request, and we can get our KPI measurements on real time, and we do not have to wait for any reports from any unit how to understand how we perform in regard with customer satisfaction. After the implementation of the project, we have increased our first reaction times scores and solution time scores. They are much more better than when we first started, and as a result, we have around 40 or 50% higher levels of customer satisfaction and NPS scores today. These are the most important benefits after the implementation of the project. Personally, I was the lead of the project from the business side, and I didn't feel that there were two separate companies working for the success of the project. I felt very strongly that we are a part of the team, not two separate companies. And I think that as a team for this project, my colleagues also from Cloud team worked for the benefit of Siemens, not as a separate company. That was one of the main success factors for this project, I think, which resulted a very short solution time of the entire project. If you ask me today, what is the most important issue that you like at Cloud team is, I like them the most when they say no to me, because all their no's were helping us that the project not goes into a dead end. So my advice is for the companies to understand when to obey to them when they say no. That is the most important point, I think. At that point, they have to obey their advisors, and they have to find, before that, they have to find such companies that will work for the benefit of their own company. And that was the issue I liked the most at Cloud team.